So now I'm going to work on this textured abstract painting I started. I'm letting this one dry, which I started a bit ago, and it's based upon that picture there, although it's going to be more orange. I've got my palette, everything ready. So while I'm letting this one dry, I'm going to go ahead and come on to this one, and the texture was created with modeling paste. See if you can see some of the texture there. And it has just the first coating of paint on it. And it's going to be more of an abstract ocean scene with an angry, stormy sky. Now we're just adding layers of color. And we'll come back in and do this a few different times, going up and over the ridges. To give some depth. We'll darken it in some places and make it lighter in others. And we'll add some highlights later. For now, I'm just working on the water. And then I'll go back to working on the sky. I'm trying to touch on the tops of some of the raised areas. To get this a little darker. Come back here and get that a bit darker in the background there. The horizon line where the water and the sky meet. Then I'll work on the sky more. After I do this dark, to come in with some more green and then some more white. Just like that. Where the light in the sky is going to be kind of reflected down onto this area. And I'm just kind of using the side of my brush to hit those top areas from the texture, the ridges of the textured areas. Okay, I'm liking it. Liking it pretty well. So now I'll go back to work on the sky. Now I'm going to come over with some white over top of that gray color. Give it more of a stormy look. And I'm hitting the ridges again with the white. Oh, I like that. I just need some more white. Put a little bit of gesso down there. Okay, come back in with some white. Really liking that lavender color back behind there. And I will come back in with, I think, some more blue. Don't care for that right there, so we got that off. Nice. I like this swirl here. I want to play that up some more. If I don't like exactly how it comes out, that's fine, because I can go back over it with the color of my choice. And here I want to have more of a gray color. Make it look more like rain hanging down from the clouds. Probably have to get a little bit more gray. Probably pretty good. You can tell that's more of a gray. Alrighty, I'm liking that. So, what do you think? I think I like it. Get a little bit more white in here in places. Spread some more right there. I think I want some white over here, a little bit more white. It's kind of a gray white, but that's okay. That helps me know where I want to go. And there's there. Okay. All right. Rinse this off for now. And need to put him in there. And I want some more white, or gesso rather. Might pick up a bit of that gray. And where am I wanting more white at? I keep feeling like I want more white down here. And I can come back in with darks behind this later. It has to look like a stormy sky, and the white clouds indicate storm clouds. The wind in the clouds always look white. If you ever notice, the dark area is more like the rain hanging down. Okay. Okay, get the swirlingness going on here, and then I can come back in with some grays and whites, or grays and not black, but darker grays. Now I think I want more white in the ocean then. Make it look a little bit more rough here and there. Not liking that there, but I can come across that. I just want it more upheaval, more of an upheaval here and there. Yeah, cool, I'm liking it. I'll come back in with the darker colors to give it what it needs for contrast later. I like it. And there's a few areas, like right now, I'm going to get some turquoise. Hit some turquoise in here. Wherever I think I need it. Maybe some turquoise right there. Don't want to do too much or I'll end up taking my white away. And I want a little bit of purple. Bring some purple back into it here and there. Ah, yes. And I want some purple over here. Just little touches here and there. That's all I'm doing now. Get a little bit more purple. Here's my purple. Cool. Then I can come back with white if I need it, but for now I'm liking it, liking all of it. I'll get some dark contrast in here where the rain is hanging down. We'll just use this, maybe a little bit of gesso. And we'll bring this down. A little bit more. Might want a little bit of blue in there. More of a bluish gray. It's pretty nice, I think. We'll see. Oh, yeah. I'm just going to add some different shades of blue into here, I think. Not super, super blue, but kind of like a navy blue. Yeah, that's nice. Not sure if I can mix this well on here since it's a textured background. It may not mix too well, but we shall see, shan't we? concerned that I'm covering up my white, but I'll come back in with it. Not minding some of this blue. Actually, kind of like that. This one I need to sweep down more. Again, I need that sweeping sensation of the rain coming down. Yeah, I think I'll just, before I lose all my white, come back in with some more white on top of the blue. Liking this blue though. It kind of helps add to the swirliness of it. And the more you layer this on top, the more interesting it becomes. Just keep going back and forth. Where you want to leave the dark, you can leave the dark. And where you want to cover up the dark, I like that right there. Not sure I was getting it, but this part right here. More of a rolling. And that I kind of like to blend that up a little bit more. Whoop, wrong color. Might put a little bit of this, kind of a lighter gray right in there, just to cover up some of the white near the horizon. Don't need that. A lighter blue sky is fine. I'm going to add gesso to that just to bring it down some. There. Nice. Like that. Lighten it up a bit at the horizon line before it goes into the ocean. Now I'm going to come back with, I've got some nice darks in there hanging down. I'm going to come back in with some gesso on top of that. Even though you can't see the purplish color as much, it's still nice. Now, here comes the gesso on top again, just hitting the top areas. Whoop. More gesso right there. Okay, come back on top with a little bit of gesso. In areas. in there bothered me a bit. Okay. So, I do like that. This might be a bit much here, but I'm going to bring another color into it. A little lighter blue right there. Sometimes you can see the sky, the color through the storm clouds. I kind of like that little touch of blue, lighter blue in places. I need to stand back and look at it and see what I think. We'll put him over here like that. Okay, so, oh, I like it. Cool. Nice. Alrighty. Good.